Hello, my name is Ben and I'm Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice, where we are only about 2 years out from unleashing carnage upon the galaxy. Yeah, a few things that I would change about this game is I would definitely change the aggressiveness of the AI. I recognize that they said that they would, you know, we could change the aggressiveness in our own game, but it seems like you shouldn't have to say, you know, make them more aggressive in order for them to actually attack anybody, like, ever. So I'm just realized the Mengeti consciousness, who just like way far away from anything I ever cared about. They are a neural network administration. Interesting. Oh, okay, I remember now. That's a different kind of... Yeah, the materialist. It's the materialist, I don't know, yeah, I'll look that up. I forgot which one. It's an advanced materialist type of government. I don't remember which variety it is. But, yeah, we are just about ready to start beating the ever-loving snot out of our neighbors. And, as I said, we're going to just declare on everybody that we're able to. And I mean everybody. Which means that I'm probably going to have to play with some war declarations off camera. But man, some of the first things we're going to do is take out some of these frontier outposts that are in our territory. Excuse me, they're ours? And actually, we'll take out this one. There's a listening post up here. It's not a listening post, it's a observation post. They're messing with these, what are they?
Construction complete.
What are these guys? The Safavads? How can I tell... I can't remember how I can tell what's special about them. Or what their technology level is. I don't remember. Well, we'll enlighten them in due time. One thing I did not do is spend all my resources. I might do that while I, let's do that while time is going, shall we? Hazra.
Construction complete.
Jew. Build level 5. And then... Now we'll do that with it. Okay. Where can I build what? Oh, hey, that's right. Some of this stuff down here I upgraded. Oh, I upgraded these to like level 2s. Okay, fine. Let's get some level 3 spaceports down here. Actually, let's take this one right here, Negroponte. Let's upgrade you all the way. You're gonna be 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. That ripped through my that ripped through my supplies pretty quick. Damacia. Oh yeah, you should build us some more lightning destroyers. Lightning destroyer class. There we go. Now we still have the inferior lightning guns. We don't have access to yet the high-end ones. I cannot wait to start. Oh shoot, what was I doing? That's right, more money. I cannot wait yet, though, to start stealing tech from the Koreans, because they have equivalent tech. I'm sure they have stuff that we don't have. That would be so awesome to get, you know, 10, 20% off of some really nice techs that we don't have yet. Now, what day are we waiting for? 2332. It's kind of chugging a little bit, quite frankly. It usually goes a lot faster than this. I'm only getting 17 frames per second. And I don't know what the deal is. Oh, wow! Hang on. First off, you were supposed to... Okay, our Federation President, the Big Blue Blob, has declared war on the Sanguine Compact. First off, who is the Sanguine Compact? Yeah, it's these guys. That's fine. Sanguine Compact. Allied with the hierarchy of Oros. That's right. Okay, so the big blue blob actually did something. I wonder what the war is over. Negotiate. Oh, it's for... Oh, wow, interesting. It's for the Teutons to get a lot of stuff. Okay. Nimbus, Chalks. If you need... Okay, so it's pretty much... So it's pretty much a full annexation of the Habsburgs. We could probably go down here and blow this. There's something here. I know there is. We could blow this up. Liberate planet Hodranus. Where is Hodranus? Hodranus. Ah, over here. The hierarchy of Oros. Well, okay then. Interesting times. Always. Always. Okay, so we are at war, which is interesting. We just run our fleet over there and blow stuff up. It would be fun. Let's merge some stuff here. Alright, well. Whoa, that's a big fleet. Well, no, it's several fleets, is what it is. Let's send our fleet there. And it's fine if we're still at war. Wait, Federation President, the Big Blue Blob. That's weird. The notification said... No, war declaration. Hang on. Are you still in our little pact? Yeah, you are. Okay, that's good. That would suck. Yeah, nobody left, right? No, okay, we're still us. Okay. I'm just trying to figure that out. Why did it say something about the Federation President when the Big Blue Blob was not in charge? Ooh, what's that? Ooh, 3,300 3,300 stuff. Oh, Harbor. Hang on. Harbor. What are you doing? Excellent. Harbor, I want you to build... Get me some laser destroyers. Yeah. Do that. Some close-in killing type stuff. Big fleet, where are you? Yeah, you're up there. Okay. It's gonna take forever for them to get around. That is the sad part about hyperlanes, isn't it? Habsburg Confederation. 3rd Star Hunters. Okay. Cool deal. Good to know. A quick question. Have the British conglomerate settled here? No, they haven't. They still have not. We are going to. I tell you what, in fact, we should probably have an Arctic world settler ready to go. It's an arid world. Oh, there's an arid world. Oh no, never mind. Looking at the wrong one. Okay, that's tundra, that's fine. Oh hey, that reminds me of something. Although, I wish there were an easier way to find your Arctic worlds, right? It's like, I need an Arctic world. Can you highlight Arctic worlds for me? Like Arctic worlds that I already possess. That looks like tropical. No, hang on. Tornado. What is this? Continental. Okay. Tropical. Continental. Desert. Arctic. Here we go. Finally. Spaceport. Build. Colony ship. Who are we going to send? That's the real question. Ooh, Spiritualist, Xenophile, Individualist. Perfect. There we go. So that's who we're going to send in to here. Assuming you have not already colonized it, and assuming it's not full. No, it's not. Okay, so we're going to send someone in right there. Hopefully they're not growing. Okay, they're growing right there. They're growing fairly quickly. We should be able to do it, though. And if not, we have an arid world. We can always colonize arid now. Now that we can colonize arid, we can colonize arid. Right? Right. That's how that works. Speaking of, do we just want to get that ready to go instead? Maybe in addition? I don't know. Are all these fleets coming up to meet me? I saw a bunch of fleets. Yeah, I think there's some fleets that are following me. Yep. This is going to be a giant mass of
Construction complete.
of military power. Give me some cruiser assembly yards, baby. Okay, yeah, let's do it. Hey, how do you like me now, Wakigi? Fleet power is equivalent. Here's the question. Fleet power is pathetic. Yeah, here's a question. Why don't we basically just go to war with everybody in the world? 332. 2332, we have a year. We have just over a year. They have better tech, but we're going to have better numbers in the end. We're going to have better numbers in the end. I'm going to be ready to go to war with these guys. Not at the beginning of my term, but it's going to happen. To that end, first things first, Murano, you're done, right? Yeah, you're done? Let's give you infrastructure projects. They're going to want to build. Also, let's give you more food. Alright. And then let's do this. Disband Frontier Outpost. Yes, because what we need now is more influence. Okay. So what I'm going to do then is the following. I'm going to go to contacts, species. And I'm going to go... Okay. The civilization that I have that has the fewest individuals. Oh, these guys are pretty cool. Post-Teutons. They got enduring conformists. That's not bad. I can't modify them. Garathi, nope. Rakudon, nope. Mubarak, nope. I'm just going down, and whoever has the fewest individuals and is in my territory. Super Turk. What? We don't have enough trait points to spend. That's the issue. With the Krulls, they are strong and intelligent. Oh, yeah, we might be able to play with them. Wait, who are the Uklar? Basically what I'm doing, I'm going to settle these Gaia worlds up here. These ones right there, and there, and there. And I'm going to settle them with sort of the most endangered species that we have available to us. It's kind of how we're gonna play this. So, in order to do that, Who are you guys? And do I have any in my territory? It says we don't have enough trait points to spend. Which is different from this one. Says like this species isn't living on any of our own planets. Okay, well, cool, cool. Oh, Hyperspace. Yeah, that's right. The Hyperspace, though, they are over here. Arbitanak. Nope, not there. Not there. Here. Is it this one? Where are my Hyperspace at? See, this is the hard part about this game. You're just like, I need particularly. Oh, it's here. Okay, that's right. Hyperspace. There we go. Let us build a colony ship. It will be fanatic Xenophiles and Individualists. All right. So, one Hyperspace ship is gonna go to the to one Gaia world. Okay, so Hyperspace is taken care of. Okay, cool. Pobellin. What Oklar? So we evidently have Oklar. But where? This is where I'm gonna check this out. Empire. No. Demographics. Do we have Oklar? What you want to bet? We have like one. We have one robot, by the way. We have Oklar. We know of 8 pops of Oklar living on 2 planets in our galaxy. See, here's the annoying part. They live in our territory, but I can't find them. I don't know where they live. Not a bit. Don't know. And I don't know how to find them. It's probably like one example. Product. In Kazon. Where is that? Okay, Product. This must be their home system. Yes, it is. Okay, cool. And it is an arid world. Okay. So now here's the fun part. We get to check all the arid worlds. I'm trying to wonder. You know, I think I'm going to do this off camera. So just 1 second. And we're back. Sorry about that. I ended up going with the Hyperspace. They're a species that we uplifted, and there are only 7 of them, and for whatever reason, they're only on one planet in our galaxy. I thought I had spread them around, but I didn't. And then also, but I never found the Oklar. I never did. I think one of them exists in our territory. I have no idea where, but who knows? It's there somewhere. And I decided to spread out the crawl a little bit. They are a group that we enlightened. They are on 2 planets, but that's okay. I skipped Venetian Superior because they're on 3 planets, and I went with the Karabnar. Remember, we uplifted these guys, and they're only on 2 planets. So in 350 days, we will have 3 vessels that we will send up to this area. We'll just have them enter orbit at first. We'll declare our own wars. We'll sort of work through that real quick, and then we'll see where we want to go from there. I think our transport fleet, thinking we might want to actually have them, where can we go? Let's have them hang out over here for now. Come on over there. Enter orbit. And then, excuse me. Okay, how long we got? 3:30, So just over a year. Alright, let's do this.
Construction complete. Construction complete.
We're still making money, but only barely.
Construction complete.
What are the Star Hunters even doing? Are they just blowing stuff up? What are you doing? Oh no, they're actually, Okay. They're actually, bombing. So, there you go. So this war, this next war, is the Democratic Valmanex League declaring war on, let's see here. These guys declaring war on the hierarchy of Arras, the people that we're actually at war with. So there's that. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. Where's my fleet? Oh my goodness, they're still up there? Wow. This mode of transportation is great for small scale, you know, jumping around, blowing things up in a small space, but when you need to cross your territory, it kind of sucks. Spaceport of Venezia, what'd you do? Well, better yet, what are you going to do now? Level 6? Oh, no. I'm still hesitant to invest in Venezia, to be completely honest. Yeah, folks are still thinking about coming to join. Still bombarding? I think you're still bombarding. Not going to go well. Actually. Oh man. Why am I at single digits of FPS? Not sure what's going on there.
Construction
Not sure
complete.
at all. Spaceport of Dalmatia. Good stuff. You know something I want to do, actually? I think I want to do this. All my other fleets, come on over here. Meet up there, be prepared to join pretty much wherever it needs to be. That's sort of a central-ish location, right? Yes. Alright. There we go. Combat going on now. Oh, they're leaving. They're jumping. There's been a wave of earthquakes on Cruiser Factory recently, and buildings in several of our settlements have collapsed with many fatalities as a result. No! Happiness minus 20%? For 6 months? Pfft, not a big deal. Turn the other cheek. Scientists leveled up. Toscano has done something. Where's my fleet? Oh, golly. You know, one of these days we'll get there. Hey, where's my transport fleet at? Oh, it's up there still.
Construction complete.
And we are losing money. Wow, okay. Of course, our entire fleet is mobilized, with one small exception, which kind of doesn't count. Is that really 395 ships? I think that may be 395 ships. Oh, hey, hang on. What's this? A a construction ship is over here. Yeah, you better rethink that. Ooh, I saw a flash of red. Where'd it go? Come on, Third Fleet. Get on down there. Actually, can you just go there like I originally said? We'll try doing that instead. Transport fleet. Still going. Still going. What's that? The Hansa has declared war on the Habsburgs. Yep, we all kind of knew that would happen. Whoa, look at this. Everybody else is coming with us now. Look at all this. Aw, yeah. Yep. Anakonos. We're gonna take you down. It's not even gonna be funny. I think we'll go until this gets destroyed. Just keep getting destroyed. Is it my turn yet? Not yet. Okay. Power plant 4 and 5. Nice. Nice. New research. Plasma cannons. Maybe. Shield capacitor. What's that? Shield regeneration plus stuff? Maybe. Arc emitters are good. I'm not sure that's what I want though. Now what does satramine do? I forget. Satramine gas. Calming effect on most beings and can be used as a non-violent way of pacifying hostile individuals. Well, there are too many other good things in this list, so I don't know. Arc emitters, what's that like? 100% accuracy, which is always nice. And high damage. Probably uses a lot of power though. But that's okay. I think we go arc emitter. Yep, and it'll take less time than the plasma cannon. So, yep, arc emitters go. 42 months. Whoa. Yeah, our time as president will not be done. But, yeah. Let's see what happens. And we appear. We're gonna blow up a lot of stuff. It's gonna get ugly.
Construction complete. Hostile fleet engaged. Construction complete.
Oh my goodness. 9 FPS. Seriously? Let's watch it happen.
Situation log updated.
And we won't bother with that stuff. Actually, hang on. Let me check something. Hey, how are you doing? How is your technology? Their technology level is actually equivalent. So if we blow up any of their ships, we should go take a look at that. In fact, I'm gonna take the Schiaparelli, tell them to come down to here. Enter orbit. Also, transport fleet. Come enter orbit as well. Alright. Wow. 13 FPS. Not okay. Not okay.
Fleet engaged. Construction complete.
Or are those not dead? Okay. Oh, hey, Urbitonic. Oh, right. Forgot about that. Okay, my construction ships are lazy, so I need to remember that. Krull, you come up here. Emerald Mausoleum. Enter orbit. Okay, now I have to find the rest of these guys. Okay. Yeah, this is probably not where my my having too little money came from, actually. Enter orbit. And then, what was the other one? Alright, Hyperspace. I think it's Pristine Jewel. There you go. Enter orbit. Hopefully that doesn't go through a war zone, but the whole galaxy is about to be a war zone, so we'll see. 12:30, okay, so in 3 months, it's our turn. In 3 months. Actually, how about if I go until we become president, and then I will do a bunch of
situation log updated.
war decks off camera.
Construction complete. Hostile fleet engaged.
Take it down. Take it down! Oh, it's 23:32. Yep. It is that time.
Situation log
Alright.
updated.
That's done. Let's just go blow this up. Oh, hey, hang on. What is this? Ooh, Primitive Civilization Bronze Age. We might be able to play with them. Oh no, we won't be able to because we're not going to end up with this. That's right. Come and... Oh. You don't even have a spaceport there. Okay, someplace with a spaceport. Who has a spaceport? I do apologize for the FPS. I don't entirely know what's going on, although I think it may have to do with... Okay, there we go. It may have something to do with the amount of fleet that I have going on here. Let's go there. I'm sure the only reason I don't see the port, the spaceport, is because we just don't know the area.
Research complete.
Oh, interesting. What? How come I can all of a sudden see this? Oh, either that or... Oh no, there's a spaceport there. Okay. And don't worry, we'll be able to just declare war on all these guys before too long. Yes. Yes, we will be able to. So at some point... oh, the tech level's inferior. So whenever it's sort of like, well, we wish we could have picked up that that planet that they invaded, well, we'll just invade it ourselves. Because we'll be at war with them. It'll be fine. Technology. Form Federation. Finally, it's just out of our... Ooh, it's out of our queue. Look what's in our queue. Xenomorph Army. I don't honestly think we need this. But it's Xenomorph armies. And it's rare. And here's the fun part. Oh, 41 months. That's not nothing. That is not bad. That is not bad. And now we don't have to worry about that stupid tech showing up anymore. Look, you. Build some stuff, alright? Build mining stations. Yes. You. Yeah, that's pretty much... Oh, no, hang on. Build mining stations. There you go. Now, again, he's going to be going right by a war zone, but that's okay. Ah, yeah, see? It's no longer... it's no longer anybody's, technically. Alien space station. The function of this alien space station is unknown. Oh, hang on. 3:30. Okay, so I think it's 3:31 that we become president. So that's kind of what we're waiting for. Come on. Come on, get there. Get there, get there, get there. What's funny is, we're going to be in this system, and there's a whole bunch of these guys, right? There's a whole bunch of this fleet, just sort of sitting around, ready to capture this planet. Well, guess what? It's not going to work that way. All right. We are now the president We're now losing 0 money. Okay. So plenty of debris, but we're not going to deal with that. We're just not gonna. Not gonna. Okay, so transport fleet. Where are you going? You're there. Okay. It's a perfect place for you. And I think what we're gonna do is on this next, this first day of our being president, we are going to declare war on basically everybody, including everybody in here. It's gonna get ugly. It's gonna get really freaking ugly. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. But I'm gonna do that in another episode. Well, off camera first, and then in another episode. But until then, you know what? I enjoyed myself. We are just about to patrol the ever-loving crap out of the Wakegi core worlds. And how are they doing? How are they doing? Their fleet power is still equivalent, but we can outproduce them. By which I mean, we can actually produce things. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well, and I do in fact look forward to seeing you next time.